Hello students, welcome to eDufundae. I am your chemistry mentor for the topic Classification of Elements and Periodicity in Properties. Let us discuss the topic Metals, Non-Metals and Metalloids. The elements in the periodic table are classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. As we are having number of elements in the periodic table, and those elements are divided into three subcategories. First is metals, second is non-metals, and third one is metalloids. So here is the periodic table, and the elements which are present in group 1, those are known as alkali metals. Group 2 elements are also metals and are known as alkaline earth metals, and the elements in green color, the elements which are shaded green in color are known as transition metal elements. These are metalloids. Yes, these are non-metals. Non-metals are boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, selenium. Group 17 elements like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, these all are halogens, and group 18 elements are known as inert gases. Yes, lanthanides. Lanthanide starts from atomic number 58 to 71, and actinides we are having from atomic number 90 to atomic number 103. Next is metals. What are metals? The elements having more electropositivity, that is less electronegativity, are called metals. What is electropositivity? The elements which readily lose one electron, that shows the electropositivity of the element. So जो metals होते हैं, those can readily lose the electron and shows electropositivity as compared to electronegativity. For example, जो 1A, that means जो alkali metals हैं, that those elements have high electropositivity, so they are more metallic in nature, and in the whole periodic table group 1 elements are the most metallic in nature. Modern periodic table consists of more than 78% of metals, and they are placed in the left hand side of the periodic table. Yes, that's true, because जो group 1 है, those are metals, group 2 elements are also metals, और जो transition elements हैं, transition metal elements are also metals. Lanthanides are metals, actinides are metals. Yes, so these all are metals, and we are having 78% of metals in the modern periodic table, which are placed in the left hand side of the periodic table. Next is characteristics of the metals. In general, metals are in solid state at room temperature except mercury. Mercury is also metal, और जब room temperature पे metal को रखा जाता है, that means that metal is in solid state. But mercury at room temperature is present in liquid state, not in solid state. They have high melting and boiling point. Yes, however, gallium and cesium have low melting points, that is 303 Kelvin and 302 Kelvin respectively. जो metals हैं, that exhibits metallic bond into it, and metallic bond कैसे type का bond है? एक electrostatic type की attraction है, that is in between positively charged kernels and negatively charged electrons, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा strong bond होता है. That means they are having very high metallic and boiling point. But here we are having the exception, that is gallium and cesium, which are having low melting points. Next is, they are good conductors of heat and electricity. Yes, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, and they let the heat and electricity to pass through them. Next property is they are malleable and ductile in nature. Yes, metals can be drawn into sheets and they can be converted into wires, thin wires. That is why they are malleable and ductile in nature. Trends of metallic character in group and period. So let us see the trend. This is the periodic table. Yes, metallic nature increases down the group because the ease of removing the valence electron increases down the group, or we can simply say that ionization energy decreases down the group. तो जो down the group move करेंगे, then the electropositive nature increases. That is why metallic nature is also increasing as we are moving down the group. So, as we are going from lithium to francium, the metallic nature is increasing. Whereas, as we move along the period from left to right, it gradually decreases. Because as we move along the period, जो metals हैं, उसके बाद हमारे पास non-metals आ रहे हैं. And electronegativity is increasing. So, electropositivity is decreasing as we are moving along the period. So, we will see the gradual decrease in the metallic character as we will move from left to right. Make a note, the electropositive nature increases down the group, whereas it decreases from left to right across the period. I also told you the reason also, that as we move down the group, ionization energy decreases. That is why metallic character increases, and along the period, ionization energy increases. That is why metallic character decreases. That's all for this topic. Thanks for watching.